Happy Tuesday, everybody. Hey, again, grilling season, which is super exciting. But before we get going grilling, I want you to take out the guts of your grill and clean all that stuff out. I use a paint scraper. That way you don't have flame up down the road. You can get all that stuff that's been sitting in there all winter long, scrape it out of there, clean everything up really nice. Put everything back together again, and then put a good burn on there. 400 degrees for about 10-15 minutes, burn all that stuff off of there. Clean out the grease tray. Most of these grills now, you can buy the disposable foil pans that set inside of that grease tray. I do that because it's easier to clean out. Pick it up, throw it away, drop a new one in there. It also will keep down on mice and things like that messing with your grill. Little rodents, chipmunks, they like to go nibble on all that stuff. So keeping that clean, keeping that grease tray cleaned out will be helpful for your grilling. So till next Tuesday, we will see you then. And if you got any comments you want to share, got any questions, get back to me. You know I'll get back to you. Thank you. See you later.